Hi, I'm Chinnathambi, production manager, taking care of Silaé production. The Silaé production consists of 5 processes: PCB assembly, first level testing, second level testing, QC process, then packing. In PCB assembly process, we start assembling of electronic components in PCB boards. After that, it moves to cleaning and coating process. Once done, it goes to first level testing. In first level testing, each PCB board will verify the common assembly is done properly. Once it completed, it moves to unit assembly. In unit assembly, switches, stickers and PCB board assembled in unit, and it moves to final testing process. In QC inspector verify all the components are present and everything is sticker is pasting properly. Once it completed, it moves to packing process. So packing inspector will do the single box packing. After, he moves to dispatch.